From last 1 week, my subscriber count is jumping, and I am pretty sure that I am just one video away from getting my subscriber count complete. Because the way subscribers are coming in, I'm pretty excited and pretty sure that I'm gonna get subscribed very pretty soon. When I was starting this channel, I was quite confused. Should I do that? Should I not? Like everybody else. But now I'm quite confident that I have picked the right choice. I have done a right thing. And as you guys are helping as well, thank you so much. And if you have not been subscribed yet, do subscribe first. And thank you already for that subscription, by the way. And so coming back to the topic, I'll tell you how I started this channel, how I made these few changes, and how my routine is, what I post and how I post and what I do after posting a video. And I'll just complete in just few minutes, So let me tell you that it's an easy stepwise work. I was quite worried in the start, but then I took some steps which were easy. I'll tell you how, and how you can improve that, and how you can get more subscribers every video and keep growing. So let's start. It took me basically 2 years, and I was didn't have the courage to start a channel and everything, and like every YouTuber at his starting point. And I was worried, but I was not sitting idle. I was researching about videos. I was researching about YouTube algorithm, tags, SEOs and everything. Then I was planning for it that one day I will try, let's see, I'll get lucky and I'll open a YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna share exactly how I went from 0 to 40 subscribers in just 1 month. And the YouTube channel's growth is always exponential, remember that. So let's dive in. The first most important thing for a YouTuber is the mindset. You have to make a mindset that you're gonna make 100 videos and you're gonna sit on YouTube for 1 whole year. This will help you go through the tough times. If success comes early, it's a very good thing. Everybody will cheer up for you. But the problem is when you don't get the success as soon as everybody else is getting. If that comes the point, you need the courage. You need the courage to go on. In 1 year, if you follow the tricks, I'll tell you, you are 110% gonna get subscribers and your channel is gonna get monetized. But you have to be consistent about it. You have to be practical about it. Learn everything. Consistency is the key. Mr. Beast, the world's biggest YouTuber, he says upload first 100 videos, then worry about what you're making videos about and how you edit the videos and everything. And it's not possible. If you try to make just one video better than the last one, you are gonna improve 100 times on the 100th video. So that's a hell of a progress you will make. And first thing first, that you have to make the first video. I was very worried and I was excited also, and when I start making my video, I was excited, and when I post my first video, I was like, today I'm gonna post it, and after half an hour maybe I'm gonna get subscribed and I'm start earning money. I was so excited, like everybody else. And when I posted, after 1 day there was no big of change. There were few subscribers and everything. I'll show you this picture in which you can see I have posted 2 videos and I have just couple of subscribers, but I'm not sad about it. I'm quite happy. I was not expecting this even, and I'll tell you how I get to 40. I also learned that I have made some couple of mistakes, like not tagging, not looking for SEOs, not worrying about the thumbnail and everything, not hooking the person from the start. What you have to do is learn from the experiments. You have to experiment about these things. Learn, experiment on the SEOs, tags, thumbnails. That's where you will learn. As I told you, you have to make better videos. This video should be better than the last one. Automatically you're gonna upgrade. You have to make thumbnails which are quite catchy, which are colorful, which have prominent words on them. The font should be very clear and not mix up, and you should not write too much on the thumbnail. Don't make it an essay. Just write a short version. You have seen a lot of videos in which people say, I quit YouTube. That's just a simple word, 3 words, right? While choosing a thumbnail, choose a bright color. There's a list of channels in front of you. Which if yellow and red combination comes up, your eyes automatically catch that color. These are different colors, but combined they make a biggest attraction towards everyone. So red and yellow makes a great combination. So you can do that. After that, I would say your video is very important, as the video is the main part basically, but you have to have a hook in the video. because without the hook your video is quite dull, you know, but nobody will watch you. If you want to say something very good but you say that in the middle and the audience leave in the start, your video is not going to be watched by many people. They will leave it, they might miss the main part which might have come in the start, and the video would have been entirely different. What you have to worry about is the storytelling. You have to have a very good storytelling technique. You can learn it from YouTube, other videos, and also in my videos as well, that how storytelling is important. You grab the audience by just your focus on storytelling, that how you start the video, that today in this video I'm going to tell you something very important and this like that. The audience will listen to you, that there is something important you're going to tell me, then they stay on your video. Otherwise, if you say like, and that was my story and I have to go over this and that, the audience will leave it. That's so boring. They were here to see that what you're going to tell me about YouTube, and you're talking about your personal things, and they will not have any interest about that. One very important thing is your click-through rate. How that is important? Click-through rate is considered the most important, because it's valued from how many times people have watched your video and how long they have stayed on your video. If a person have 5-minute video and people are watching 4 minutes, that's a very good, and click-through rate must be +5. So that means your click-through rate is good. People are watching it, and YouTube will show your video to as many as people as your click-through rate goes up. So click-through rate is very important. And I was worried, like my videos had click-through rate of around 6-7, and they slowly dropped later on, but people were not watching proper videos. That was the reason. People were watching first 3-4 videos because they were getting my videos getting clicked by, the thumbnail was attractive, that's why. But the content was not that catchy that they started leaving the video very early, after about 10 to 15 seconds later. So that was the main reason my click-through rate drops a lot. And I am not changing those videos, because I'm keeping those videos with me, and just to know and acknowledge my mistakes, and I learn from those. And in each and every video I try to be more smooth, more honest, and more fluent about it. The formula that worked for me in YouTube is quite simple. That is that if you have a good thumbnail, a good video audio, and editing skills is fine. If you have a little editing skills, that's fine, because you don't have to have a lot of editing in any video. Just cut and paste, you need to know that. And try to use every free software, because as much as you work hard on your videos, that's gonna make the basic difference. And have a good thumbnail. Try to get help from ChatGPT for tags and SEOs, and you have plenty of softwares there to help you out for that. And your video is ready to post, and post your video and stay firm and post more videos. Try to be regular about videos in a 1 week. Schedule them on the same timing as your audience. You prefer the audience, which audience you prefer the most, and that's pretty it. And I'll tell you more when I'll see more and learn more. And so far I'm very happy with the 40 subscribers, and they're increasing day by day. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. See you in another video. Thank you.